How about a little bit more animal spirit medicine? Wisdom. Today, the spider, creator of prosperity through life's work, Dharma, one of the most underused words in our language. Everyone's talking about karma all the time. What about Dharma? Why don't we focus on that? Kind of like if you see a piece of trash on the ground, maybe you could focus on the overabundance of greenery outnumbering all of it. I see far more beauty. Why don't we focus on our Dharma and see what happens? The spider is an ingenious creator. Its greatest gift is weaving the thread of Dharma into the vast, intricate web that supports the spider and those around it, both financially and spiritually. It is hard work, but the spider neither tires nor becomes impatient. Incredible work ethic. I can relate. It's just not work. You simply must weave. This wisdom reminds us creativity is everywhere. Be process-oriented rather than results-oriented. I couldn't agree more. That's my secret success to my physique. It's not about my physique. It's about the joy of the exercise itself. Okay. Be process-oriented rather than results-oriented, and soon your work becomes like weaving a magical priceless tapestry. Abundance follows. When in balance, appreciative, enthusiastic, and prosperous. Just as like a side effect. You're not even trying. It's really quite beautiful if you stop and just like let that sink in for a minute. There's no struggle. Just sweep the floor. You know, like on Evan Almighty, just sweep the floor. You know? To bring into balance, playful creativity, like what I just did. I encourage you to do that today. After you watch this video, of course. Thumbs up. Thumbs down. Do something.